guys, it's your girl Rebekah here. How's everyone doing? I am going to be showing you what my beauty room looks like so far. I've been working on it almost for 2 hours today, and it's not completely done because I have a whole box of makeup over there I have to go through, and I have some things I have to make videos for, different, like a Walmart haul and an Aldi's haul and a Dollar Tree haul. So I will be doing those in the next couple days and putting them up as a scheduled video, and I hope you enjoyed them. I want to show you what it looks like so far and everything, because I've been working so hard and I changed it around, so it kind of looks pretty better how it is right now. I hope you like my backdrop and my lights. Right now I don't have my big lights on, I'm using my mirror light, so if it's kind of like dark, that's why. And if you want to see what my beauty room looks like now, let's get started. As you walk into my bedroom, that Boxycharm box has makeup in it. I have to go through that, and that is my Super Yum Universal Yum box, and it's from Italy, and I can't wait to do a taste testing video on that. So you walk in, and I have my little table here with my brush and the donut purse I'm going to be using, and then this corner right here I'm still working on, so don't mind that. So then you come in, and I have changed it. There's my lights, and you can see a drawer of makeup over there. If you want me to do another makeup tour, let me know. And then I have my little baskets all on here. I'll show you. So then you go like this, and there's some makeup in there, and then these are all my brushes, guys. Literally a whole table of brushes, and I bought these containers at the Dollar Tree. They are heart, let me show you, the heart shape containers. That is a Walmart haul I'm going to be doing, and I can't wait to show you these 3 boxes. Now at Walmart there's 2 other boxes, but I did not get them. I got these 3 boxes, and I cannot wait to show you what it is. And then I got my my Dollar Tree haul, and these tables are my Aldi haul. I got them at Aldi's for $12.99 each, and I got 2 of them, and they are nice. They're the sturdy kind, and I needed big tables because I was using these little small ones and I wasn't having enough room, so I found these, and I'm like, oh my gosh, if you went to Walmart to get them, you'd be paying a lot of money for them. So then, yeah, let me show you. Let me move this lights. So then this is my new backdrop and setting and my lights. And I actually shortened the bar so it's not as wide. So I did that. And then I used to have beauty blenders in here, but I put all my beauty blenders, but I know I have more in this heart-shaped thing. And then I kept some of the brushes in the original original tub, and those have to wash. Then you come around here, and I'm going to put a cover on that chair too. I have this I bought at Walmart for like $4 something, and I have all my palettes that I will be using. I'm going to get all my palettes that I have not used that came in recent subscription box, and I'm going to put them in here and start doing looks with them. I'm also going to be doing video of my whole collection of the Juvia's Place palettes. I will be doing that. So then here are my rest of my things. I may reorganize them too. And that is it so far. Like, see, I have that corner I have to do that has makeup in it. But that is all. I hope you like this setting better. I actually do, because going this way, how it is, it actually gives me more room than how it was on the other side. I just didn't have enough room because the bed was right there. Now I do. I hope everyone is having a great day. So yes, and if you want me to do a like makeup, beauty stuff tour, let me know. So thanks for watching. I love you guys. Bye.